Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting low-heat LED string lights and a stable support. This protects fragile blooms. Once you have rated lights, trim dead leaves and insert a thin stake grid to shape the plant. This prevents sagging. Test the lights on a bench to confirm all bulbs work and the transformer output is correct. While testing, make mental notes where plugs and ties will sit so you avoid crushing petals when you begin wrapping the plant. Now wrap the lights from the base upward, keeping loops loose so stems aren't pinched. This maintains airflow and bloom shape. Use small plant ties every 12–18 inches to anchor the string gently. Once done, tuck ties on the inner side of the plant. Make sure the transformer and any plugs remain elevated and dry, secured to the stake or a nearby post, and position loops to balance weight so no branch is overloaded or bent out of shape. To finish, conceal extra cord and secure the transformer off the ground. This protects electronics and improves aesthetics. If bulbs go out, first replace the single bulb or reposition the connector. Many LED strings rely on one bulb completing the circuit. Once done, if you still get flicker, check the inline fuse or swap to a known good transformer or power bank. If branches sag, retie slightly looser. These small fixes keep your mum lit and healthy through the display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.